Alright, so I'm doing a little bit of checking after our first initial 183 miles on the 99 Touring, and I was a little bit concerned about the gunge in the gas tank, as I didn't clean it out after it's sitting for so many years. But the previous owner had put a new fuel filter on it, so I took that fuel filter off, took the air box off, and took the fuel filter off after 183 miles, and I want to show you what I discovered. This is a brand new filter, and you can see, hopefully you can see that it's pretty dirty. Look at the dirt in there. So you can see that, hopefully. I'm only using my GoPro. It's hard to see, but look at all the dirt from in the tank, all the sludge. I was worried about this. I brought an extra filter with me on our first trip, but I figured since I'm not going away until next weekend now, I would check this out. That is a lot of gunge in there, and that's gone through the fuel pump. So oh no, it hasn't. Sorry, it hasn't gone through. That's before the fuel pump. So I'm going to put a new one in. I've got a new Polaris proper filter. I'll put that in, and hopefully that makes a difference.